Okay. So first of all, we should understand this session 4 covers these journals and how to create journal. So now journals means what? First of all, you should understand whenever we wanted to record any transaction, that transaction should have a proper either sequencing and it should have a proper type. Okay. So when we say type means what? First, the transaction which you need into the journal ledger module. Then transactions you needed into the accounts payable module. Transactions you may need to the account receivable module. So all these are classified based on its type. And then you have to decide what sequence number you have to give for that and how or what is the difference between the types. So when we say daily, it will have one different impact, and when you say customer payment, it will have the different design. So that all we will understand in the journals. So for example, I have to record the invoice journal or journal. So now when we say journal, what it means, we have to book some expenses. We have to book some expenses or we have to book some revenues or the entries which is non-PO base. Whenever we have a PO, we will go with the cycle of purchase order. When we have a sales order, then we'll go with sales order. But when we have the transaction which are not linked to the purchase order, in such cases, we have to use the journals. Then there are adjustment journal, there are depreciation journal, there are fixed asset journal. Lot of journals are there. So first we have to create those journals. So the creation of the journal is again depends on the organization. So my organization may use 5 journals, but another organization may use only 2 journals. So it depends on the organization that how they want to bifurcate or what is their requirement. So I am just creating one journal first to understand the concept of journal. Go to the journal ledger module and then go to the journal names. Okay, click on the journal names. Now there are a lot of journals is already available in this. Let me create a new one first. So I just click on the new and I am creating journal. So I just give GL journal.
I think your video is lagging behind, so and I don't know if it's me alone. So sometimes it looks like nothing is moving, then it's skip to the next.
Is it what it's showing now?
It's showing journal names. I don't know if that's where you are,
Yes, I am there.
but nothing is moving. So if you are typing or moving things around, it's just static.
Is it okay now? I just type the description.
No, I can't see anything. I don't know if it's the same with Bami though, but I can't see.
It's the same. What the only thing I can see is in the journal name. The only thing I see is just G.
Yeah.
Nothing on description, and it's just static. It's not moving. I think there is a delay in your in us seeing what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, it's lagging, I guess. So let me reconnect with the
Rahul has gone off.
Yeah, internet,
Yeah, I don't think his internet is able to withstand streaming some of those things he's doing.
yeah, nígbà tó náà ń ṣáàjì owó ńlá tó ń ra íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì kékeré. Ládùúrú owó tó ń gbà as a functional consultant.
Yeah. It's funny.
Mm-hmm. This morning, there's no strips left. No ketchup. Don't worry, don't worry. Thank you.
I could give you. I don't think there is though.
Okay, thank you. No meat. Just one.
There's, oh my god.
Mm. I'm still uploading it.
Huh?
Thank
What did you say? Do you want ketchup?
you. Don't want, no. Thank you.
There's more fries.
Yeah, I can give you small. Yeah.
More fries.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry.
Oh boy. Wow, weekend is over. Work starts tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
This guy, I didn't know you know this guy, yo. Edgar.
Ah,
Yeah, he attends my church. You were talking today, now mention you. Said there was the director role that came out and some scheming.
yeah, not really. Yeah, I mean, it's
That just
normal.
like they created it for somebody or so.
Yeah, that's my understanding. I could be wrong, but I mean, when they finish the process and they hire the person, I'll confirm.
Okay.
Another thing is that OT passed through one PMO Lodowa
Mm-hmm.
and is under the same division and he wasn't successful. So
Okay.
now applying for a director, although like I told him, for me, I'm someone that I don't care if they say it won't work or not. If I see something I want to apply, I send it.
Mm.
So I told him, there's no harm in sending,
Mm.
But I'm just trying to give him some reality,
Yeah, but if he has applied for a PM role, they didn't take him. This director won. I'm not saying that it's not impossible for him to be taken, but what will be that edge you're bringing now over the PM role that makes you stand out?
Exactly. And this is coming within 2-3 months, like it did PM role. So, you know, so that's my. Ọdún tí mo ṣe ní àgbà ìgbà tó dé mo ní kó try láti ṣe training BA so that they might apply for méjèèjì because my own problem with PM, many PM Scrum Master role is that it's always one on a project. So you see more BA opportunities than PM opportunities. And one thing in PM, BA thing about the training is that you won't understand the lingo.
Yeah.
And so we didn't want to do that. And I've been trying to help him, but so easy.
I hope we'll not use the whole of today trying to troubleshoot issues. You left the other time? You're muted.
The internet, very funny, so I had to.
Okay. I was saying I hope we'll not use the whole of today just trying to fix internet issues. And it will now become almost like 2 weeks of no lectures.
I sorry.
Ah,
I tired.
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello? You hear us?
Yeah. So that broadband still is not working, but let's see if still lagging. I need to check with the internet again. Uh, I'm sharing the screen again. Let me see if still lags. So are you able to see my screen? Correct?
Mm-hmm.